Welcome to this episode of Alpha Tech Talks. I'm Luis Borrego from Alpha Technologies, and today we're going to be talking about the AREC LS-410. With me in studio, I have Boris Polyakov. Boris, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much for having me.
So, Boris, let's kick this off. And can you tell us some of the key features of this AREC LS-410?
Sure. So AREC LS-410 is our 4-channel media station. Media stations generally exist in order for you to record, stream, and backup. But they do it in a very, very user-friendly way because they combine features of different devices like encoders, decoders, streamers, recorders, and joysticks, but they pack it in a solution which is very easy to use. Now, LS410 is a 4-channel media station, meaning that you can connect and use up to 4 video sources at the same time. These video sources, they can be HDMI, they can be USB, they can be network, they can be different kinds of network, because this device supports multiple different protocols for that. LS410 comes together with NDI-HX technology. So it is already in there. You can use NDI cameras directly on the station. You can also use other network cameras like RTSP, RTMP, RTP, and even SRT cameras. You can combine all of your different audio and video sources on the LS410 in order for you to record them, stream them, and back them up. Importantly, LS410 is also the device in our range that is 4K enabled, and you do not need to pay any extra license for that. 4K is already in the device. It also comes with a 2 terabyte storage, so you have plenty of space for you to work with your video. And interacting with LS410 is as easy as it gets, because LS410, a device made for the end user, comes with a graphical user interface. This bar that you see behind me on the screen. Using this bar, I am able to easily customize my video. For instance, I can display Alpha Tech logo, or for instance, introduce my own name and title. I can also change the sort of video layout that I am outputting through my media station. Like so, or like so, as easy as I want. And I can also change the background of the video sources. Here in my video, now the background is just the blue color, and I can also change it to any other. And I can also combine all of this into themes, because the end users, they want it as quickly as possible to achieve the result that they are aiming for. If you're using conference systems, doing something like this could potentially take you a little bit longer than just clicking one button like I am doing right now. So, LS410 is this kind of device. It also allows you to engage your other equipment in the room, including cameras. If we go back over here to a layout where you can see my camera, I can control this camera's presets directly from the media station. Like so. And I can operate this with any cameras, including third-party devices. To start recording, to start streaming, all I need to do is just press on a button. So, LS410, this is the device that you can use to achieve all of your production needs and beyond that, because you can use this in all the other applications.
So, Boris, I can see that there is a constant evolution and add-on and new features on these products. So what I would like to know is where and what markets can this new LS410 fit into?
Sure. So as a 4-channel media station, this device is perfect for any time when you're building bigger auditoriums, maybe lecture halls, perhaps courthouses, healthcare institutions like hospitals, simulation centers. In fact, there have already been plenty of case studies of LS410s being employed by simulation centers because these devices, with their support of 4K and network connectivity and the simplicity, they allow you to connect medical equipment and the cameras to capture and record operations easily. As for lecture halls, as well, you are able to capture your teacher, you are able to capture your audience, the content, and the document camera all at the same time. You do not need to limit yourself. You can record each individual source here. As for product pairings, this station would be perfect addition to any of the installations where you have already perhaps installed 4K cameras or are planning to, as this device will be able to combine them, allow you to switch between them easily, record them and stream them. And it would also be a great pairing for any Dante-enabled devices, for instance, DSPs, because they are able to get the LS410 as an audio source, and also LS410 can use other devices as audio sources. You can have 2 inputs and 2 outputs via Dante here. So this is a perfect addition to Alphatec range because this goes well with Alphatron products, with Biamp products, with Audio-Technica products, and with many, many more.
Okay, thank you, Boris. And that brings us to the end of this video. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.
Thank you.